arbitrationagreements.org. Hey there, friends. I'm glad you could join me today to explore a question that has quite often been a topic of discussion in the circles of conflict resolution. Is mediation actually a form of arbitration? Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you save time and money. First off, let's paint a broad picture of what these two terms mean. You see, both mediation and arbitration are methods to resolve disputes outside the traditional courtroom setting. They are parts of what we refer to as alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, and their aim is to solve conflicts in a less adversarial and more collaborative manner. Now, you might find it interesting that according to the American Bar Association, almost 95% of pending lawsuits end up being resolved out of court. That's a massive chunk, right? It really gives you an idea of how significant these methods are in our justice system. So, moving on to mediation, it's essentially a process where a neutral third person, the mediator, facilitates a conversation between the conflicting parties. The mediator does not make decisions but helps the parties communicate and negotiate to find a solution they both can live with. On the flip side, we have arbitration. This process is a tad more formal. It involves an arbitrator, who is a neutral third person, much like in mediation. However, there is a notable difference. The arbitrator listens to both parties and then makes a decision, which can be binding or non-binding depending on the agreement that was made before the process started. At this point, you might be thinking, well, they do seem quite different, don't they? And yes, you would be right. They are fundamentally different approaches to conflict resolution, each with its own set of rules and dynamics. Now, here's a little snippet that you might find quite fascinating. According to statistics from the National Conflict Resolution Center, mediation has a success rate of about 80%, which really showcases its potential as a powerful tool for mending bridges and fostering understanding. So, back to our central question. Is mediation a form of arbitration? The simple answer is no. While they share similarities in being alternatives to court proceedings and involving a neutral third party, the roles of the mediator and arbitrator and the outcomes of the processes are distinct. Mediation is about facilitating communication and fostering agreements, while arbitration is more about making a decision based on the presented arguments. To learn more information about mediation and arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Also, from what you know about them, are you more interested in arbitration or mediation as a solution for resolving disputes? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you save time and money.